we have made it here to work. Time to make something happen. I thought it was gonna be a sunny day, but it's not happening. So right now I have to get a trailer. It's down there. TC52. I'm gonna get one of those trailers. But this is my beast right nice and cool in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, and we are on float. Turn that on. We got those house batteries charged up because we have been sitting here for a while. I came in yesterday and my house battery was dead. It's been sitting here for over a month. So what you do in that case, we just let the generator run overnight. That charges the house batteries. That allows us to have lights in the bus without the generator running. We won't have roof airs, but we will have some lights. And let there be light. So we have it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in here, check in, and see what they're gonna do with this trailer. Get back with y'all in a sec. Alright, so let me see if I can find this trailer. I'm gonna take y'all with me, see if we can find this dang on trailer somewhere over here. Let's go up here and do it. So we are looking for right there. Yeah, my luck with it. This guy is parked. Look at that. But you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna have somebody come over here and pull this damn trailer out. That's gonna be that.
Put on which bus?
What's going on, big guy?
On Force. 52 on Force. Got you, bro. Thank you.
I was.
All right. 52 on Force. Got you. Thanks, Bubba. I'll send you a picture of either one. Thank you, brother.
Hey, I was coming up here to see if I could get you to pull 52 out so we can put it on Force.
That's what I'm going to do. They didn't got that on my schedule, man. When did they do? They must have just put that.
Or,
see, I got to clean it too. How much time do I got? Now, unless you want to take a dirty trailer.
well, how long we gotta wait?
I tell them, hey guys, yo. Let me find out, man. I don't like them to go out and go dirty.
Okay. Let's see what
I said 15 to 20 minutes, man.
About 15, 20? Okay.
15
Yeah, they didn't even have it on the schedule last night.
Yeah.
It wasn't on the schedule. In fact, they called me and told me last night that they needed the trailers, got merch in it.
Not a problem with
Yep.
that. It's just either you want it washed or not, my brother. We got 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, it'll be 15, 20 minutes. I gotta go set up anyway.
All right, if you don't mind, take force and pull it out. That way when it's washed, I go whoop,
Okay,
and
all
set it
right.
on for you and hook everything up and you
All right, appreciate you.
brother.
All right.
Thank you for all you do.
All right, thank you. So yeah, we got that done. And then ironic that as we were coming up here, they were already on the phone to pull that trailer out. So I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not a big fan of pulling trailers on these buses. But it's what we gotta do. Bunch of merch. Man, speaking of merch, they make a lot of money on that merch. T-shirts, hats, cup holders, just you name it. People go to these concerts. They love their music, so hey, what we do. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get back with y'all after we get this trailer hooked up. Yeah, we about to stop up in here and grab something. Grab something to eat real quick. Pull up in here to this Cracker Barrel. If y'all liking this content, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Go do it right now. Thank you. So, I don't know. We're here at Cracker Barrel. Tell me what y'all get here. I'm really all about the breakfast, getting the pancakes.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm pretty good. All right, start you something to drink?
Yeah, Coke Zero.
We do,
Yeah, let's do that.
Coke Zero. Okay. Do you need a minute to look over the menu?
Nah,
No,
I
okay.
know what I want. Let's do grandma's breakfast.
Okay. The pancakes, French chuck. Okay, pancakes.
We're gonna do apples.
Fried apples, okay.
And let's do the chicken sausage. Could you make sure they fry that well, real well?
Okay. Did you want all chicken sausage? Because it comes with 3 pieces of meat because it's a sampling.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, let's do 1 chicken sausage.
Okay.
Then 1 bacon.
Bacon. And then any ham for you?
Nah, I don't need ham.
No, okay. So another piece of bacon or sausage.
You know what? Let's do 2 chicken sausages.
2 chicken sausages.
Yeah, and that's done with.
Yes. And then just your eggs. How would you like your eggs cooked?
Burn them.
Okay.
How well is burnt?
So you want over well?
I want over well.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. And then you said just crispy on the chicken sausage, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I got you. Okay. I'll put that in for you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One thing I found is when you come in here, you get these eggs. I can't eat no eggs that's got the wetness. I'm about to. I can't do no eggs like that. That's not gonna happen. That is not gonna. Anything running on them eggs, man, my whole breakfast will be ruined. So we gotta have that girl down. But we're gonna get this breakfast. We're gonna see what happens. All right. See y'all in a minute. Okay, through all of that stuff we went through yesterday, and you know, saw us getting prepared, we are here. Beautiful Gulf Shores, Alabama. So we're trying to set up coach parking. And we're gonna go over there, and these metal rollers, we're gonna park on that face in on those metal rollers, and they're gonna have buses all lined up over there, guys. And that blue rollout that you see there is artist entry. So they just go over, walk through there and over to the stage, which is over there. Yeah, we should see how all of this turn out. I have just discovered I have a turn signal out.
Would you be able to drop the trailer in the lot and then I can park you outside the lot?
Where you want me to drop it?
If it's possible, because we have a few buses coming in, and you're kind of like the fourth one with the trailer now that we weren't expecting.
Now, I don't know if that wouldn't actually be my call, because I would have to talk to the guy on the bus that's responsible for the production manager.
Got you.
Because you guys got to do, they have to do, they got merch.
Okay.
So I don't know if...
Are they taking the trailer or are they just emptying it? Do you know how that's going to work?
I have no idea. So I don't know, you know, how big of a push they're trying to have. Well, you want the trailer dropped on the street?
No, like right in here, if you want to walk in here. They want the trailer dropped off closer to the front so it's easier to get to. And then if you could drop the trailer off in here, I would just park you on the street over there, and then they'd have a cart come and pick up your guys and do the transport like that. Just because we're trying to fit one more bus in here. And the trailer is kind of screwing us up because we have two other ones that are coming in here with the trailer.
With trailers, yeah. Yeah, if we do that, then they won't be able to offload. Get a hold of...
See what you can do, because I have a street parking lot that I can put you in.
Okay.
And that's what we were scheduled to put you in. But because of the trailer, I don't know if it'll fully fit in there. So that's the thing. It's like 6 or 7 parking spaces.
Okay.
That you would have to like park across.
All right. Let me see if I can get a hold of somebody. Everybody in there knocked out.
I already know.
Man,
Trust me, I wish I
they
was
had a
done right
long
now.
flight, man.
If you want, talk to them, figure that out. I'm gonna go and check out the spot that they want me to put you in.
Okay.
And then I'll see if I could fit the whole thing there with the trailer or if not. Because the thing is, I don't want the trailer to be stuck in there also if they need to offload it from the lot over there.
Yeah. And I know they're gonna need that trailer.
Let me know if they're gonna offload it and like how they plan on doing that, and then I'll swing back around.
Okay. All right. Let me see if I can get a hold of them. All right. So we got some changes here to try to figure out how we're going to do this. So let me get a hold of production manager. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be back.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Jump!
Okay, let's go.
Jump!
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.